In this video, we're going to be learning section 1a in Bava Metzia, Perek Hamafkid, Daf Lamed Gimel Amud Beis. On the right side of your screen, you'll see a list of vocabulary words. Maybe a good idea to pause the video at this time to review those words, to familiarize yourself with them before we read the Gemara. Also, there's some other important information that's important to know for this Gemara. Firstly, there are 4 types of watchmen: Shomer Chinam, Shomer Sachar, Socher, and Shoel. Our Gemara is going to be dealing with the Shomer Chinam, the free watchman, person who watches something without getting paid. The Shomer Chinam is a watchman who has the least responsibility to pay if something happens to the object that he's watching. For example, if the object is destroyed by ones, or if the object is destroyed through Geneva or Aveda, through being stolen or destroyed, the Shomer Chinam does not have to pay for the item if he swears that, firstly, he wasn't negligent in watching the item, that he wasn't poshea, and secondly, he also needs to swear that he didn't use the item improperly, that he didn't do what's called shlichas yad. For example, if he was given a basketball to watch, not to be poshea, not to do negligence would be to not leaving the basketball in an area where it's going to get destroyed by the sun or by the rain. Shlichus yad would be to use the basketball when Shomer is not supposed to be using the things that he's watching. He's just supposed to be watching it. And Shlichus yad would be if he would use it when he's supposed to be just watching the item. With these pieces of information, we're ready to start learning the Gemara. The Gemara today is going to start at the word Hamafkid, right at the first word of the Mishnah. And we're going to conclude on the third line with the word v'yotze, that he fulfills his obligation. Hamafkid eitzel chaveiro, one who gives something to watch by his friend, behema o kalim, he may give him an animal or vessels, v'nignavu, and it was stolen, or sha'avdu, that it was destroyed, Shilem v'lo ratza lishava, if he pays and he doesn't want to swear. Remember, we just said the Shomer Chinam has the right to swear if he chooses that he was not poshea and he did not do shlichas yad. But in this case, he was shilem. He chose to pay. V'lo ratza lishava, he does not want to swear that he didn't do the pshia or didn't do shlichas yad. Shaharei omru, that behold, the Chachamim said, Shomer Chinam, a free watchman, nishba v'yotze, he has the right to swear and fulfill his obligation. He doesn't need to pay. But in this case, the Shomer Chinam is choosing shilem v'lo ratza lishava. He is choosing to pay and not to swear. Shaharei omru, that behold, they said, Shomer Chinam nishba v'yotze, he would have the right to swear and fulfill his obligation. This concludes piece 1a.